Hi everyone, Judy here. So today I am going to tour you around the Miracle Garden Dubai. So the Miracle Garden Dubai is the world's largest natural garden. The garden operates from October to April and remains closed from May to September due to high temperatures with an average of 40 C. We went to the garden twice already. The first time we went there, it was just so hot. I think it was around 42 C. This time around, it was cold and the best time to view the flowers. It is a beautiful garden thriving in the desert. It was just too crowded when we went there. Nevertheless, it was a wonderful experience. It is a garden with unexpected decors like the Emirates plane. I was astonished to see a plane in a garden. I did not see a plane during our first visit to this, so this came as a surprise, a good surprise. The landscaping and flower color coordination was beyond my expectations. It was simply beautiful. I believe it's good to go there in the morning than in the afternoon. Please continue watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up or subscribe if you're very new to my channel.
What do you want, Dave? Cookies and cream. We're buying some ice cream. Oh, look at that! Wait, there are lots of balloons flying. Apa dito?